Dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at sample cue card. Describe a time you bought something from a street or outdoor market. So let's begin with this cue card. Describe a time you bought something from a street or outdoor market. You have to cover the following cues in this cue card: when it was, where the market was, what you bought, and how you felt about it. Now let's begin with the sample answer for this cue card. Well, I'm a shop alcoholic person, so I like buying new items for my personal use and other purposes. Here, I would like to talk about the time when I bought a study table from an open air market. Actually, there is a very famous street market called Rodney Market where I live, and it is also very close to my home. I usually visit there in the evening or at weekends with my friends or family members to purchase daily necessities or to eat something. A couple of months back, I went to this market to purchase a foldable study and laptop table for me. At that time, I had to attend online classes at home in which I had to use my mobile while making notes. I have to say it was quite difficult for me to hold my phone in one hand and write with the other hand at the same time. So I visited this market to purchase a foldable study table. I visited a few shops but I didn't find anything suitable. Luckily, I found a wonderful table in my favorite navy blue color. It had three slots for mobile, water bottle, and stationery on its top. I couldn't resist myself from buying it, as the price was comparatively quite low in this market. I must say, my studying experience has improved a lot since I purchased this table because I can also use it while laying in bed. So that was the time when I purchased a study table from a street market. So this was the sample answer for this cue card. Now we will begin with the follow-ups for this cue card. Let's begin with them. The very first one is, what kind of street markets are there in India? Well, in India, there are all types of markets. There are big shopping complexes and supermarkets, especially in urban areas. Then there are small shops and open air markets, which are available in rural as well as in urban areas. People visit all these markets as per their income and needs. Next question is, do you think street markets will disappear in the future? No, certainly not. Small shops will not disappear in the future because these shops are accessed by people from all financial backgrounds. Even though big shopping complexes have gained a lot of popularity among shoppers and have affected the sales of local shops, it doesn't mean they will completely shut down local markets. Next question is, have people's shopping habits changed in recent years? Yes, individuals' shopping habits have altered in the last few years. Earlier, people used to buy products from local shops, but now they can purchase everything on the internet through various websites like Flipkart and Amazon, where they get more variety and discounts than any local market. Therefore, it can be said that there is a big change in people's buying habits. Next question is, what are the differences between shopping in street markets and big shopping malls? There is a vast difference between shoppings in street markets and in shopping malls. In street markets, people get non branded items and their prices are usually less as compared to shopping centers. People can also bargain with the shopkeepers while buying something. In shopping complexes, people have to pick up products from the racks on their own. They cannot bargain with the salesperson as the prices are fixed. So these were the follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get the latest notification when we upload a new video. We also live on following social media network. We live on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do follow us there for latest updates. Thank you for being here.